Have you been wondering, what is patchouli essential oil good for? Or maybe, what does patchouli smell like? Or even, why did hippies use patchouli oil? In this video, I will answer these questions and share some fun facts about patchouli essential oil. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the past 10 years, and I'm really excited to share with you all about this special essential oil. If you stick around to the end, you will have a chance to access my Essential Oils Made Easy class along with my free essential oils usage guide that has over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Now, before I jump into this video, I would love to hear your favorite uses for patchouli essential oil in the comments below. I love having my community share their knowledge with each other. Sourced in Indonesia, patchouli is a bushy plant from the mint family. Its small pink and white flowers are potent, but the essential oil is actually steamed from the leaves. Patchouli is more prevalent than you might expect. Its powerful, rich scent helps encourage equanimity and feelings of balance. Patchouli oil also offers many benefits to the skin, including reducing the appearance of blemishes. So what does patchouli oil smell like? Let's talk about this. Patchouli's sweet, musky scent has long been prevalent in the fragrance industry, but its aroma is good for far more than just perfumes and cologne. The smell of patchouli is a very distinct and easily recognizable scent. It's also grounding to the emotions, and it helps to bolster feelings of stability, harmony, and composure. Patchouli oil blends especially well with the floral and wood oils. So what is patchouli oil good for? Well, internally, patchouli essential oil may aid in healthy digestive tract function, and it was also used historically as an internal cleanser. Patchouli oil's gentle cleansing properties also make it beneficial to the skin. Topical application of patchouli oil reduces the appearance of wrinkles, blemishes, and other minor skin imperfections. It promotes a smooth, healthy-looking complexion. Patchouli oil's freshening qualities, combined with its popular musk, lends it particularly well for topical application to the feet or to the underarms. So let's talk about 5 different ways to use patchouli essential oil. Number 1, include patchouli in your daily skincare routine. Simply apply directly or add a few drops to your cleanser or moisturizer. Number 2, pair patchouli with peppermint and water for a refreshing mouth rinse. Number 3, to encourage feelings of collectedness after a long day or maybe a frustrating day, simply diffuse or apply patchouli to your temples or the backs of your neck or your wrists, your pulse points, or any other desired area. Number 4 or 5, I can't remember which one were odd, you can add a few drops of patchouli to your deodorant or detergent for a sweet twist in the aroma. For a DIY perfume or cologne, simply combine a blend of essential oils with fractionated coconut oil in an empty roll-on bottle. You might try something like 34 drops of wild orange, 20 drops of Douglas fir, 18 of patchouli, and then a carrier oil. You can also just create your own signature scent from the oils that you like best. So let's get to the question, why did hippies use patchouli oil? Patchouli oil was used by hippies to mask the smell of marijuana that they were using. It's also effective at masking the smell of alcohol. Patchouli works well with arbor vitae, vetiver, spearmint, cypress, serenity, and wild orange. So here are some fun facts about patchouli. It takes about 1.5 pounds of patchouli leaves to make one 15 milliliter bottle of essential oil. Patchouli grows better in the shade, and there are over 89 studies published about the benefits of patchouli essential oil. doTERRA's patchouli essential oil is also found in our Whisper blend, our Anchor blend, Intune blend, and our Console blend. To purchase patchouli or any of those other oils I mentioned, or actually one of my starter kits, go ahead and check the description below. It's freebie time. You made it to the end. Congratulations. You made it all the way through the video. Now it's time for me to give you access to my private Essential Oils Made Easy class. Go ahead and follow the link in the description below to register and you'll get access to that class. I'm also excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide with common uses and more. And all you gotta do is click that description below to find that link. Go ahead and put your email in and it will show up in your inbox in no time, very quickly right after that. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.